YouTube, it's your boy TV, man. I'm back with another video. I already know, man. It's been a minute. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. This my first mukbang. As you can see, we got some Chipotle. You know what I'm saying? I got a quick question though before we even get into it. No, I ain't even finna add, cause that sounds slow, so I ain't even gonna add no more. Cause y'all gonna get on me in the comment. But I know it's been a minute. I've been busy, man. We had finals week this week. You feel what I'm saying? And it's like, I've been studying. You know what I'm saying? Gotta keep the grades, so you feel what I'm saying? And then on top of that, a lot of stuff just been going on, twin. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, but it's like, life goes on, bro, when stuff happens. But I'm finna open this, cause this my second time eating from Chipotle. I really don't eat Chipotle like that. But if it's good, we might start. It might be the new spot, you feel what I'm saying? But I'm finna open this and show y'all what I got, cause if I read on the thing that I had ordered, I had got a bowl with white rice, fajita, chicken, medium green, hot red, I think it was salsa, some cheese and lettuce. I ain't gonna count. It sound like I just put something together. But yeah, we finna see what they talking about here. Let me open it right quick. I ain't gonna lie, twin. This is not it, probably. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Like, look at this, bro. Like, y'all see it? Hold on, let me get the thumbnail right quick. Nah, like, I don't know, bro. I think I just. Hey, bro, let me down. Like, if you eat from Chipotle, let me know down in the comments what do y'all get, cause I don't know. I probably messed this one up, G, cause I was just saying like it had this, that, and the third, so I picked this, that, and the third, and sure, we just gonna go with it. I'm gonna taste it. I'm gonna see if it hint on something. I mean, it ain't that bad, but we probably could have did better. But I ain't gonna lie, bro. This shit hot. I mean, I like spicy food, but good. Anyway, I just wanna. Damn. Oh, excuse me, y'all. I really wanted to bring y'all this. Bro, what the fuck? Now I got the hiccup. Out of all time, you want to catch the hiccup. I need somebody to scare me. But nah, I appreciate y'all. If you know what, make sure y'all like, comment in the video. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe. Roll to 100 subs. Oh my god. But what I'm trying to say is, yeah, make sure y'all subscribe, man, and like this video. But what I'm trying to say is, a lot of stuff been going on, you know. But I really just want to talk to y'all. I know I ain't posted in a minute, but who still catch hiccup in 2023? We past it now. I need something to drink. Man, make sure y'all drink some water, man. Stay hydrated, you feel me? But a lot of stuff been going on, like I said. I kind of did a little Q&A that some of y'all asked some questions, cause I know y'all got some questions. Like I said, I obviously answered one of them. Like where I've been at, I just been at school taking an exam, and been in, man. But I know I was supposed to post it yesterday, and I will, cause I got a story time video that I could easily just publish. But it's like I really wasn't feeling it yesterday, cause some stuff had came up. Cause if you've been watching, y'all know I've been posting Selena. If you're new to the channel, Selena is somebody that I was trying to talk to, you know what I'm saying? And some haven't, you know what I'm saying? Somebody wind up doing something they ain't had no bit of doing. No shade. Let me stop playing. But yeah, she wound up doing something that she ain't had no bit of doing, and I had to cut off, man. Like, this video ain't the bash her, nothing. You feel what I'm saying? But it's like, if y'all don't see her no more, that's why. And I'm not finna get into detail about it because keep this to ourselves. Because we talked about it after I gave it some time. Because I ain't gonna lie, I was mad. I was super mad when I seen what I seen. Because it was like, why? But I gave it some time, though. You know what I'm saying? Came to her, talked about it. Well, matter of fact, she came to me, talked about it. And whatever happened, happened. Because I'm not really the type of person to go bash somebody on the internet. You feel what I'm saying? Like, we grown. We too grown for that. And on top of that, it was just like, we human. We all make mistakes over those. But going to the internet about your problems, telling people that probably don't care, ain't the move. You feel what I'm saying? Like, we bigger than that. And like, we human though. We got emotion. We wind up doing irrational stuff or whatever. But it just like, ain't no point when y'all can just talk amongst each other. You know what I'm saying? I still wish her the better. I still want good things for her. But it's just like, man, you, that relationship probably ain't gonna ever be the same because what you did was lame hell. I ain't gonna lie to you. But enough about that though. Because I ain't gonna lie. It kind of did hurt my feelings. I ain't gonna catch it on. Because even though we really went together, it was just like, you know what was going on between me and you. You feel what I'm saying? So, but it is what it is. You feel me? My mental, because I know somebody asked me about my mental. My mental is probably a 7.5. Like, I'm straight. You know what I'm saying? I'm cool. It could be better, but it's just like, I got a lot going on. Like, I got exams, bro. Like, I got to study. I know one of my exams got 150 questions. Like, bro, shawty not playing with this exam, G. And it's just like, why I gotta study all this stuff for 150 questions? Just give me 50 questions and be done with. Because I feel like as a teacher, bro, why you want to grade so much? You must like the grade. Because 150 questions OD. And mind you, this class ain't small. Okay. We kind of getting somewhere with this. It'd probably be the nastiest thing I ever came up with, but at the same time, it ain't that bad. I probably would have been better with a burrito, though. But hell, I paid for it. It was real. So, I'm really thinking about getting another tattoo, though. We'll finish this sleeve out. I already know what I want to get. I just gotta go get it. You feel what I'm saying? But another thing for y'all, boy, I gotta let y'all know, like, bro, whatever you want to do in life, go ahead and do it, G. Don't let nobody hold you back from it. Because whenever somebody tell you can't do something, you can't go do it, G. Because that's your life. You waking up every morning, not them. You feel what I'm saying? Like, it's your life. Do what you choose to do, how you see fit. You feel what I'm saying? That probably didn't make a lick sense, but yeah, just do that because in reality, in the other situation, but the world gonna keep going. The world gonna keep spinning. You can have fun. You can do what you want to do, but at the same time, set you up a plan, execute that plan, so you can move on to the next step in your life. So you can be what you said you always wanted to be. You feel me? Because, hey, the world is in your hands. It's up to you on what you gonna do with it. Cause see me right now, we at the bottom, but we slowly creeping up to the top. Cause I ain't gonna lie, when I got my TikTok account back, a lot of folks were like, yes sir, we finna be back up though. And we is. Cause I ain't gonna catch it on, bro. Like when I finally got it back, it was like so amazing. It felt different. Cause I ain't had to start over. But at the same time, even if I did have to start over, like I was gonna work hard to get it, but I ain't gonna lie, I felt discouraged. Cause it was like, bro, we came a long way. Cause, I mean, going viral on TikTok ain't hard. But it's just like, to keep it going, it's the hard part. You feel what I'm saying? Cause TikTok be on that bullshit. They too sensitive. But hey, it's their platform, not mine. So I mean, it is what it is. But another word for y'all, I gotta let y'all know something. I'm not gonna be in Atlanta no more. I'm transferring school. I'm finna go to Savannah. Why? Because a lot before it did it. But only because I don't feel like I belong at Georgia State, man. Like, it's hard to make friends with him, especially as a nigga. But it's so hard. Try to make female friends, she gonna think you want some extra shit. When I feel like we just cool, or she gonna feel like you ain't even trying to be her friend for real. Trying to talk to a nigga. Only thing he worried about is the hoe and going out and to the club and shit. Like, it be like, bro, like, my mind ain't done no more. Yeah, it never was that. Cause me personally, I'm anti. I don't really like people for real. And then since I'm doing YouTube with y'all, and y'all low key messing with it, or y'all messing with it a lot, it's like I got something to do now, and I got something to work on. I got something to build on. You feel what I'm saying? So it's like I just told you, find you a plan, execute it, and move on to the next step. So this is the plan. I'm executing it, and I'm going on to the next step, as in progressing methodically or gradually through the whole process. You feel me? Like, you're not gonna get better at something if you don't work at it. You feel what I'm saying? Cause you ain't gonna be good at it off the dome. That's what you gotta realize. Like, everybody gotta start from somewhere just to be good at something. You feel what I'm saying? Like, even if it comes natural to you, you still can get better at it, G. You might be the best at it amongst your friends, but what about old boy from California? Or old boy from doing Maine, Connecticut, Florida, Alabama? Like, yeah, he could have the same talents as you, but he might be better at it because he working at it. You feel what I'm saying? Like, it's always gonna be somebody better than you at something. But if you can perfect your craft and just work on it, you can set the bar or set yourself away from everybody. You feel what I'm saying? Now that's what we trying to do. You feel me? Cause if we do get big, I want y'all to know, like, the day one, or even if you knew, I really appreciate you. Because a lot of times I could have gave up in this situation. Because a lot of people do tell me they watch my video, whether it's TikTok or YouTube, and they be liking them, they be messing with them. Even if I don't get as much credit as people think I should, I don't really be caring, because it really ain't about the view, or like, how would I say, or the money, you feel what I'm saying, or really the benefits. It's just about the love I get from y'all, because like, people really be showing support for real, and that's the reason why I really want to do YouTube, because the love and support I seen other people get from doing what they be doing. You feel what I'm saying? Whether it's they started a clothing brand and then got on YouTube, or like what the hell, and then, or just starting on YouTube and just grew their fan base strictly from YouTube or Instagram or however they came up. So really, I'm just doing my thing, and y'all watching, and hopefully y'all fuck with it. Cause really, half the time I don't be knowing what to post. Give it a buck, like, for real. So can y'all do me a favor? Let me know what y'all want to see. If you ask for a public interview, I ain't gonna lie, that's strict. Cause I'm gonna need somebody to record. 1, 2. I'm a little nervous, so they're gonna be like, yeah, I don't know. Cause imagine, I can talk to a female, that ain't nothing, but it's just like the continuity of it, the build up of, you gotta know what to say, can't say nothing dumb, we're gonna get embarrassed, you know what I'm saying? But I don't know, just be yourself. If I just be myself and let it ride, might see something. Cause I do want to give y'all some exciting content for real. I gotta be knowing what the photo. So if you want to see me continue to grow, you feel what I'm saying? If you messing with me, you feel what I'm saying, as a new and upcoming YouTube, let me know down in the comment what y'all want to see, or what y'all want me to start doing for real. Cause y'all TVG, I care about y'all comments, as long as it ain't nothing negative or something else. But I met y'all. So like, just let me know what y'all want. And I'm gonna try my best to get that for y'all, you feel? Okay. That's what we at. Man, who life straight. You know what I'm saying? Nothing too crazy. But we got something in store for y'all though. I cannot lie. But truth be told though, like I said, I appreciate y'all. This ain't that bad. Gee, this really ain't that bad. With all honesty, this is not that bad. It's a little hot though. I ain't caught boss. Yeah. I ain't gonna lie. My bad. My camera had my phone had full storage, so I had to upload the video real quick and make some room, you feel what I'm saying? But I ain't gonna lie, I probably get this this food right here probably a 6. Because I don't know what I would get. They were like, you feel me? But you know, back to what I was saying though, bro. You can do what you want to do in life. Anything is possible. Just be yourself. Treat other people right. If they don't treat you right, handle your business. But yeah, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, anything is possible in life. Never sell yourself short. And try your best to surround yourself with genuine people. That's what we be missing. So we won't never set ourselves around. Hey, bro. We won't never put the right pieces around us sometimes. We always think this person, that person good for it when they probably not. You feel what I'm saying? So keep your circle tight. Keep your dreams to yourself. You know what I'm saying? Only tell the right people if you trust them. You know what I'm saying? Make sure your mental right. Keep God with you always. That's the first thing I should have said. And you know what I'm saying? Just be you. And I promise you, you'll get anything you will ever dream about if you follow the whole thing, man. But for the most part, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, I do appreciate y'all. Make sure y'all like the video if you still watching. Make sure you comment. And if you're new, subscribe. You feel me? And probably there's some more things I want to tell y'all before I close this out. Damn. Wait, what do I want to talk about? Oh, so boom, right? I ain't gonna cap. You feel me? There's a lot of stuff I want to do to it. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, but it's a lot of stuff I want to do. Like, I low-key I never been on a blind date. I feel like that'll be a hard video. Like, I don't know, it just depends. Like, I just need somebody to set that up for real. You know what I'm saying? Like, gotta see something. But I don't know, man. It's a lot of stuff I got planned. It's a lot of stuff that I want to do, but I just got a lot going on. I got to handle my responsibility for by taking these exams, passing them, because I'm finna be a junior. You feel what I'm saying? Like, mom, your boy is halfway done. You feel me? Because, like, I ain't gonna lie, I really haven't been feeling school lately. Not saying I want to drop out or anything like that. It's just like, bro, what's the point? Like, I'm starting to get to this phase in life, or probably not even a phase, maybe like just a thought, like what's the point of being in college, bro? Because it's like you building up depth, you learning stuff that you kind of already learned in high school. It's just more details, and you do meet new people, you do network and stuff like that, but I don't talk to nobody for real. Like, I don't know if it's God's way of telling me that this ain't for me, or it is for me, but at least get something out of it. Because in my mind, I ain't gonna lie to you, and a degree to my name would be nice. I ain't gonna lie to you. A degree to my name would be nice. And since I came so far, it's like I might as well rock it out. Because I would have my associate degree, I think, after this semester. So we never know. You feel what I'm saying? But at the same time, though, it's like it's coming to me like, bro, like, why is we even here? Because I don't even talk to nobody at this school. Keep it a band. Like, I don't. Like, I just be there. I do my schoolwork, go to school, come back to the crib. Like, I don't socialize, I don't do too much. And it's not like I'm scared. It might be 10% of me being scared to talk to people, but it's just more so like I peep vibes. You know what I'm saying? Cause it's like, if your vibe ain't there, your mind ain't there, I don't really want to be around you for real. Hell, I already got a circle. My circle is enough of where I'm comfortable with, you know what I'm saying? So I'm not trying to add no addition, and you ain't even on what you should be on for yourself, because me and my mindset, I'm trying to be up here. Like, I'm right here, slowly getting here, but I'm trying to be up here. And if you ain't already up here so I can learn to get to that point, or down there somewhere in that range, we ain't really got nothing to talk about. Or we can grow with each other, you feel what I'm saying, if you want that. Because I'm not really a club type person. I ain't even no, I'm not gonna say I'm not outgoing, because I can be. It's not like that I just want to be in the house all day, because it ain't that. It just, shoot, it's different stuff I want to do, but it's just like, you know what I'm saying? Like, when you be anti, it's just like, bro, like, you just stick to your grind, and you just stay out the way. That's just me. That's the better word I can find to better explain. Like, that's just me. I just stay out the way, mind my business, stay working, stay grinding, and just keep pushing until I get to where I want to be, because it's a lot of stuff that I want to do for real. Like, I just want to get my mom do somewhere nice, and so she won't have to stress about nothing no more. You feel what I'm saying? Take care of my brothers, you know what I'm saying? Because my brothers look good to me, so it's like I got to lead by example. So it's just a lot that I want to do, man. And it's up to me, you feel what I'm saying? Like, it's up to me to get to that point, you feel what I'm saying? So it's just like, I gotta handle my business right now. I can't be too distracted. I can have fun, you feel what I'm saying? I can have fun, do what I want to do, but it's just like, the grind starts now, bro. I can't wait till later on in the year and be like, damn, I should have did this and did that. I gotta start now. So that's what we working to. You feel me? But I ain't gonna lie, since I've been on TikTok lately, I got some love back, you feel me? Like, I had one person, I don't know if it's real or not, but I had one person tell me that they all the way from Afghanistan or somewhere. I might be wrong, because I ain't gonna lie, my mind been a blur ever since the whole situation. So they were like, they love my funny videos over the wood. You feel what I'm saying? If you didn't come from TikTok, my TikTok will be in my bio. You feel what I'm saying? We be going crazy on that, I ain't gonna lie. You know what I'm saying? So they were telling me that, and they were just like, I got people that watch me that probably ain't vocally spoken on that, but it's like, I appreciate you if you watching me. You feel what I'm saying? Because it's like, that mean a lot. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to you. You feel me? But man, I really appreciate y'all though, G. Like, y'all keep me going. Even through all the bad times where I'd be like, I don't know what to post, or I'm trying to, you know what I'm saying, figure out my little spot, my little lane or whatever. Y'all really help a G out, so I appreciate y'all for that. Like, y'all just don't understand. And I'm always appreciate y'all. Even when we get to the top, or even when we get a bigger platform, it's gonna be like, I wouldn't be here if it weren't for y'all. You feel me? So I really appreciate that. But y'all met with the hell. You feel what I'm saying? Shout out to my girl Kayla, man. She did her thing. You feel me? Like, I really appreciate you, G. Like, you just don't understand. Whether I play too much or not. Like, I really do. I really do love you, kid. Like, no cap. I'm gonna wrap this up, man. I just wanted to make this video, talk to y'all a little bit. You feel what I'm saying? Give y'all a little update on what's going on for real. I'm cool. I'm straight. You know what I'm saying? Wish me luck on these exams. It's your boy TV, man. Shout out to TVG. And I'm out.